This video is for that person who was asking me how does a tax clearance certificate looks like. Mind you, I need you to understand that there are different tax clearance certificates. That of the federal, which is the NRS, is different from that of the state, which is whatsoever state you are. Either LIRS, which is the Lagos State Internal Revenue Service Tax Clearance Certificate, or OIRS, which is the Ogun State Internal Revenue Service Tax Clearance Certificate, or the FCT Tax Clearance Certificate, or whatsoever state you are. I need you to know and understand that the state tax clearance certificate is different from that of the federal. So this one you are seeing on your screen is the tax certificate for NRS, which is the federal tax certificate. And those who are liable, or those who have entitled to this kind of tax certificate, are those that registered as a company, not those that register as a business name. So if what you registered was business name registration on the CAC portal, then this particular certificate that is showing on the screen is not for you. Don't wait until when you need your tax clearance certificate before you try to comply with tax. Because if you eventually already have an existing tax portal and you abandon it, or you did not try as much as possible to meet up with your tax filing, and you only come back when you need your tax clearance certificate, like this certificate you are seeing on your screen, then there is issue on ground for you already. So it is advisable to make sure you keep up with your tax filing, so as for you not to fall victim of unseen penalties and circumstances. So if you need your tax clearance certificate, or you need to know and check your tax status, drop tax status in the comment section, and I am going to show you how to check the status of your tax. In my next video, I will be showing you examples of how the state tax clearance certificate looks like and how you can get it for your business. Thank you. I am Deborah Rafiu, the owner and the brain behind Sholadrem 247 Consult. I will see you in the next video. Bye for now.